Good morning all of you. I am Pratima Dole. I will teach you your third semester, your theory paper 5, Environmental Science. So today we are going to study about your first chapter, Multidisciplinary Nature of Environmental Science. So in your first chapter, these are your outlines that the chapter 1 contains. Having the contents are, first one is your what is environment, what are the components of environment and what are the relationship between different components, what are the scope of environment, what are the objectives of environment, and what is the need for public awareness, and what are the methods for public awareness, and last one is your ecology. Okay. So these are the contents of your first chapter. In your first chapter, we have studied about this. So first one we know multidisciplinary nature. So first we know about what is multidisciplinary nature. Okay. So multidisciplinary of environment is the study of interaction of physical, chemical, biological components of human surrounding. Okay. So here this is a diagram which shows that how environment study is related with your physics, chemical, biological components. Okay. So first one, see here, environmental study. So we are engineers. So in technology, how environmental study is related. So civil, chemical, hydraulics, nanoscience, all the technologies are related with environmental studies. Okay. So next one is your basic and applied study. Okay. So physical science, physics, chemistry, earth science, atmospheric science, these are also related with to environmental studies. Okay. And another one also is here, that life science. Okay, which is consist biology, biochemistry, microbiology, that also related with environmental studies. Okay. Next one is your modeling. Modeling means your mathematics, statistics, computer science. These modelings also related with environmental study. The last one is your management and awareness. Okay. So management and awareness consist economics, sociology, law, education, management, mass communication. These managements are related with environmental study. Okay. So in this diagram, we know that our environmental study is related with all of us. That your technology, your basic and applied study, modeling and management and awareness. Okay. So next one is, before we are entering your subject, first we know what is environment. Okay. And what are the importance and why we study about environment, what are the needs. Okay. So first one is your environment. The environment is the word which is derived from a French word environner, okay, which means surrounding. So environmental study is the scientific study of our environment and our place in it. Okay. So environmental study is the study of environmental issues. It has broader coverage than environmental science and includes social aspects of environment also. It deals with science where necessary and also include the study of physical, biological environment and also cultural and social factors and their impact on environment. So environment is contained regarding two science. One is your environmental science, another term is your environmental studies. Okay. So first one is your environmental science. So what is environmental science? The systematic and scientific study of our environment and our role in it. This branch is include the knowledge of pure science and to some extent social science. Okay. And what is environmental study? This is the study which concerned with environmental issues. Okay. So before that, we should know what is environment. Okay. So in a simple term, we can say that environment means surrounding. You can remember this way. Okay. So there is a example for you. How can you easily understood this one? Okay. So environment means, for example, your park. Okay. So all of you are going for the park for your morning walk, for playing or for refreshment. Okay. So when you are entering into the park, all of you see there are some living and non-living things. For people are sitting on the benches, children playing on the park, people jogging in morning walk, doing morning walk, and there are having some. There are also present some plants, trees, some insects. So whatever present all over or all around us, that is called your surrounding. Okay. So next is your environmental definition. So what is the environmental definition? First one is, what is environment? All the living and non-living factors which are affecting your organisms and which ultimately determining its form and survival is known as environment. Okay. Another definition is here in a simple way, all the things, that is your objects and circumstances surrounding us is known as environment. Okay. And another is your environment is the sum of all social, economical, biological, physical or chemical factors which constitute the surrounding of man and or living organisms, who is both creator and molder of this environment. Okay. And all the external factors which influencing the life and activity of people, plant and animals, that is called your environment. Okay. So next one is your, what is your environmental issues? Okay. What is your environmental issues? So environmental issues means what are the problems are created by humans or what are the problems occurs in environment. Okay. So environmental issues are, all of you know little bit, that harmful effects of human activity, global warming, air pollution, waste disposal, water pollution and climatic changes. Okay. So these are the issues of environmental or problems are arising in environment which create the problems for environment. Okay. So next, then you can the question in your mind that, ma'am, what are the harmful effects of human activity? How human affect the environment? What are the roles of human to create the problems for environment? Okay. So there is the human activities are, so due to the population growth, okay, which leads to industrialization. So when your population growth is done, then in that case for the survival of the human and to satisfy the needs of human, the industrialization should be increased. Okay. So during growth of your industrialization, so there are so many problems are created, like you're burning fossil fuels, non-renewable resources, population, increased carbon dioxide level. Okay. So these are the harmful effects which create by the industrializations. Okay. And which is directly affect to the environment. Okay. So next environmental effect is your acid rain. Okay. Which occurs due to the burning of fossil fuels. Okay, so when the so first of all, burning of fossil fuels is done during the industrialization. Okay, so these are the environmental issues, and next environmental issues I will discuss in the next PPT. Thank you.